In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Sites for Intranet. If you're looking to create a simple, central hub for your team to find information, Google Sites gives you an easy, code-free way to get started. We'll walk through creating a new site, picking the right starting point, organizing your pages, and embedding the content people use every day, like documents, calendars, and files from Google Drive. First, open Google Sites and create a new site. Head to sites.google.com and sign in with your work account. Click the plus button to start a new site. Give your site a clear name at the top so it's easy to identify in search and in your organization. You'll see that Sites auto-saves as you go, so there's no need to hunt for a save button. Think about your intranet's purpose, a place for updates, shared resources, and key policies. Keeping that intent in mind will guide your layout and wording. Next, choose a blank site or an internal template. A blank site gives you full control to build from scratch. A template can speed things up with pre-built sections, color schemes, and fonts that you can tweak. Either way, you can adjust the header image, add your logo, and choose a navigation style at the top or on the side for easy browsing. Pick colors and fonts that align with your brand and make content easy to read. Keep the design clean and consistent so visitors know where to look for information. Now add pages for teams, resources, announcements, and policies. Open the Pages panel, click New Page, and name each page clearly. Your Teams page can link to department overviews and contacts. The Resources page is perfect for forms, guides, and quick links. Announcements can host updates and news, while policies centralize handbooks and procedures. You can drag pages to reorder them and nest subpages under a main category, which helps reduce clutter and keeps navigation intuitive. Finally, insert documents, calendars, and Google Drive files for easy access. In the Insert panel, choose Docs, Sheets, or Slides to embed live files. Use Drive to add entire folders so content updates automatically as files change. Embed a team Google Calendar to show events and deadlines right on the page. Adjust display options so documents are readable without extra clicks. Before you wrap up, make sure the files you embed have the right viewing permissions inside your organization so everyone can open them without requesting access. With these steps, you have a clear, organized intranet built on Google Sites that's easy to maintain and even easier for your team to use.